With the launch of the HarmonyOS 6.1 system, the experience of using the pure-blooded HarmonyOS system is becoming more and more recognized by users. And just yesterday, the official also announced important news. According to the confirmation of Huawei terminals, the number of HarmonyOS 6 terminal devices has exceeded the 60 million mark. And the official has also publicly expressed its gratitude to HarmonyOS partners, that is, HarmonyOS users, for their strong support. And just over a month ago, HarmonyOS terminal equipment has just exceeded 50 million in less than a month and a half, and the HarmonyOS 6 terminal equipment book has exceeded 60 million growth rate, which has set a record for the best data since the launch of pure HarmonyOS. In addition, earlier yesterday, Tencent officially also announced the latest news of HarmonyOS adaptation, and at present, nearly half of the entire WeChat development team has joined the development of adapting to the HarmonyOS system. At present, the number of installations of HarmonyOS WeChat is about to exceed 55 million. It can be said that HarmonyOS WeChat has become an important partner of the HarmonyOS ecosystem. I believe that with the joint efforts of the HarmonyOS system and WeChat, the next improvement progress of HarmonyOS WeChat will be greatly accelerated. And HarmonyOS WeChat is also expected to be evaluated or even surpassed other system versions by the end of this year. Since the beginning of this year, the pure-blooded HarmonyOS system has ushered in the update of HarmonyOS 6.0 and HarmonyOS 6.1, and at the same time, a number of new Huawei phones have been launched on sale, and it is expected that the installed capacity of the pure-blood HarmonyOS system is likely to have a greater breakthrough before the end of the year. And I believe that the milestone of breaking 100 million is also just around the corner, and I hope that all HarmonyOS partners will continue to support the HarmonyOS system and work together to build the strongest domestic mobile phone operating system.